right, guys, good evening. My name is Chuks. I want to welcome you back to another edition of my forex trade analysis. So guys, today I'm going to take you through a lot. Okay, I just want us to understand the basic foundation of trading. Okay, I want us to understand how forex trading is done, how to properly trade. Okay, and I also want to teach us how to analyze the market, how to look at the market. Okay, you need to have a very an appropriate view of the market. All right, because market is dynamic, so you need to understand how to view market from a dynamic perspective. Okay, so we're going to look at all that, but first of all, I want us to come to Forex Factory to look at the news events. Okay, I'm only interested in the red news events. Okay, I'm not interested in any other type of news, but if you are, you can look at them. But for me, I'm only interested in red calendar news. So we can see that the market opened today, okay, by 10 Nigerian time. Okay, if you're not in Nigeria, GMT +1 is the Nigerian time. If you're in other locations, just look at your time zone. Look at your time zone. Okay, you'll be able to understand when the market opens from your location. Okay, in case you are listening to me from other parts of the world. Okay, so we're here at the news calendar. Okay, that's Forex news calendar as it were. So you can see that for tomorrow, Monday, there's no events. Tuesday, we have just the USD, United States dollar, consumer confidence, news. This high impact news, guys. Okay, so if you're in this trade, you have to be careful. It's coming out by 3 p.m. GMT +1. Okay, so Wednesday we have the AUD. That's the consumer price index year on year. It's also a high impact news for those of you who are going to trade the Australian dollar. Then on Thursday we have the Euro news. Okay, all day on Thursday we have the Euro, the USD news. Okay, unemployment claims. This is very important. This is a high impact news, guy. High impact news, guys. So you're going to watch this out. Okay, then on Friday we have this Euro card USD news. Okay, all right, so guys, that is all about the news calendar. Okay, so having known all these currency pairs that are going to be impacting the market very intensely, you just have to be on the lookout. Okay, so guys, so let's hop onto MT5. Okay, today I'll be using MT5 to show us what we're going to show us the market, to analyze the market today. Okay, so this is my MT5. Okay, let's start with the Euro USD. I was going to look at these currency pairs here, these currency pairs that that this website has has reviewed. Okay, we're going to look at the USD chef, we're going to look at the NZD USD, we're going to look at Euro USD, we're going to look at gold. All right, okay, we're going to look at UJ. Okay, after UJ, I don't trade crude oil. Okay, so that will be it. Okay, so let's go onto the charts. Okay, so let's look at EU. Now we're going to start from the daily time frame, guys. Daily time frame is very, very important. What did the market do the previous day? Or in this case, what did the market do the last trading week? Okay, the last trading day. Okay, you can see the market was bullish. Okay, the market closed with a high momentum bullish candle. Okay, so what this is telling me is that the market has opened. The market will open with some bullish sentiments. Okay, so Now this is a structure level, guys. For those of you who don't know, I want this to be my round number level. Okay, so let me put it at 4. So this is my round number level. Okay, so guys, this is a key level. Okay, and if you look at it from the daily time frame, you can see that we have a bullish engulfing candle. First of all, from the fundamental perspective, you all know what the Fed did last week. Okay, we all know what the Fed did last week. All right, the Fed, announced that that they were going to cut interest rates. Okay, the Fed announced that there was going to be an interest rate cut. Okay, the Fed chair Powell announced that an impending rate was unavoidable. Okay, so if you look at it, you see that the Fed preferred price gauge. Okay, U.S. gravely concerned by okay, sorry. Let me see. Okay, Powell confirms a September Fed rate cut. Okay, fine. So this is the news that will power the major currencies in the coming week. Okay, and so this news has has impacted negatively on the greenback. Okay, so you're going to see a lot of shorting, in against the USD in all the major currency pairs. Okay, so here that's what we can see here. The outlook is reflected here because this rate drop or this rate cut has been in the news for a very long time. So the euro is massively strengthening against the dollar. Okay, so if you see what this market is doing, you agree with me that the market is overly bullish. Okay, from the daily time frame perspective. All right, so we expect this bullish momentum, this bullish push to continue in the coming days. Okay, so on the technical standpoint, I want to draw us closer to what the candlestick patterns are showing us here. When you see the candlestick pattern, let me remove this structure level. Okay, I think this and this should be able to take me to the next level. Okay, in this technical review. So here you can see that this candlestick was the last candlestick that closed the trading week last week. Okay, and this was the one that closed the market the previous day on Thursday. All right, so you have a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern here, bullish engulfing candlestick pattern here, because this was a resistance turned support structure level, guys. Okay, I hope you guys understand me. My students understand candlestick pattern very well, and they will understand me when I speak candlestick patterns. Okay, so this is a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, and the way to know it is that this market closed above structure. Okay, this is the key level. Okay, this is a psychological round number, guys. So the market closed above this level here. Okay, the previous candle turned was bullish, was bearish the previous day. That was on Thursday. So on Friday this market closed bullish candlestick, and this candlestick is at the support level. So guys, you agree with me that this level is a support level because price has closed above the level. Before now it was resistance, but this candle closed above it, even though this closed below it. But this is the overwhelming pattern that this is the overwhelming candle structure that showed us that the bulls, okay, are in control of this market. So guys, if you agree with me, we're going to go with this bullish engulfing. Okay, now, so you have to know how to trade this pattern very well in a market like this. Okay, so I expect the market to continue to push up, so I'm going to look for a buy opportunity in this market. If you want me to dig deeper in this analysis, I will drop down to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, I'll jump over to up down to the 4-hour time frame. You'll see that this is obviously, okay, a break of structure, okay, and a close above structure. So if you see these two candlesticks, you see that the market has shown an overwhelming bullish sentiment, bullish footprints, okay. And so for me, I'll look for an opportunity for a pullback. I'll look for the market to pull back into structure, okay. Because if you want to take an entry from this position, your risks will be too high, okay. This will not give you a profitable risk to reward ratio, guys, okay. If you want to enter from here, you can see how wide your risk is going to be, okay. So that wouldn't be your best choice, okay. Since the market has moved, okay, far above structure, so what you should do is that you should wait for the market to pull to structure. Wait for market to pull to structure, then you look for a buy opportunity, okay? Look for a buy opportunity, right? Okay? So this is the way I want you to, treat this market, okay? Look for a structure, a pattern, a movement, price action like this. Then we look for an opportunity to buy, okay? So for Euro USD, our directional bias is a buy. So guys, we're going to look at for that in the course of the week, okay? So on UJ from the daily time frame, you can see that the UJ has been the yen. The Japanese yen has shown an overwhelming strength over the greenback, okay? And so that's why you've seen this market. This market is, dropped in the last in the last trading days, okay? This is the daily time frame, so that has shown you that in the last couple of days, this market has been bearish, okay? And we expect this to continue in the way because of the news of the Fed's intention to cut the interest rate. So because of the dovish outlook of the Federal Reserve, okay, we expect this currency pair to continue to show a downward move, okay? So guys, we're going to pick up to that. These are round numbers, okay? I have the round number level here. I also have a round number here, so let me just make sure I have a round number here so we can look at this, okay? So this is my round number, right, okay? So these are key levels in the market. So I expect the market to react off these key levels. So if you look at what the market did last trading day, it was bearish, okay? And this happened at the structural level of support, okay? And what that tells me is that there is still some pockets of bearish sentiment in this market, considering the last two price actions that happened before this bearish, momentum candle, showed its footprints, okay? So guys, I still expect this market to drop, okay? I still expect this market to drop. However, this double bottom here is instructive, okay? The double bottom that the market has printed here is instructive. I want to see a break of candlestick, below this round number level, okay? So I'll wait for further price action to see if the market will close below this level, okay? That tells me that the bearish sentiment may continue, okay? The bearish sentiment may continue. So guys, we have to look out for that. I still need to see a convincing price action, okay, to enable me short this market, okay? So if I want to see that, I could drop down to the 4-hour time frame, okay? We'll drop down to the 4-hour time frame. Want to see structure, okay? So guys, you see what I told you guys, the market still need to show me its intention to drop. So I need to see price action, okay? I need to see price action. I don't need anymore, so let me just take this out. So guys, I need to see price action, okay? I need to see the market do further push to the downside. I need to see a break of structure. I need to see a candlestick pattern that would enable me to short this market. So that's being said, I want to tell us that we have to wait for further price action in this market to be able to determine what this market will do. Okay? So guys, the other thing we can do, this is for our time frame. We can actually, see how we can continue to, how we can trap price to the downside. Okay? This is technical analysis, guys. So let's see how we can trap price to the downside. Okay? So the market has been doing this over time, alright? So we can trap price this way, alright? Okay, so what that means is that we want to wait for price to come to structural level of resistance, okay? Then we'll look for opportunity to short, okay? So this has become what? Our resistance, okay? This has become our resistance level. So we need to know what price is going to do off these levels, okay? Besides, we can also use our Fibonacci levels, okay, to trap price along this structure path, okay? So if you bring your Fibonacci retracement tool, swing high to the swing low here, okay, you take it to the right hand side, okay, you see how price is reacting upward of key levels, okay, of the Fibonacci, okay? So you can see the price still needs to push into the structure, okay? Still need to push into the Fibonacci structure levels, to give us more insights about this market, okay? So I didn't quite see what I expected, but this 38.2 and the trend line are very good structure levels for me in this market. However, I can just delete that Fibonacci, then add my moving average. I want to have my confluence factors, that will enable me to short this market. And it's very, very important to do that. So let me see. I think I need the 21 moving average, guys. Sorry, 21 period moving average. Okay. I need the 21 period moving average here, guys. Moving average. I need the 21 period moving average. So I need to see what this market is going to do. Okay, off that dynamic structure. Okay. Okay, fine. So you have it here. Okay, this 21 may not actually give me, it's not giving me what I want. So I will try 50 moving average, okay? 50 moving average, guys. Right? Perfect, okay? Good. So you can see prices has each of the 50 moving average. You can see how it is just aligning with this resistance, this linear resistance, trend line resistance, okay? So this is actually the complex factor I'm looking at, okay? So I need to see price pull back to this structure level. Then we'll look for opportunity to short the market, okay? Alright, so for now, there's really nothing we can do until market pulls back to structure. However, we can look at these price patterns here to further short this market, okay? We can look at this price pattern here. This should be a bearish engulfing pattern, okay? Guys, let's zoom in on this. Let's zoom in on price here, okay? From this structure level, this is a bearish engulfing pattern, okay? Okay, but I need price to pull back the structure because it has really moved far away from the trend line, okay? And entering from this position may not be the right decision because price is still at the structure level, okay? So we need to see a clear breakout from this structure level, or price pull back the structure, then we'll look for an opportunity to short the market, okay? So from here, if this is the 50 moving average, so let's see what price will continue to do going forward, okay? Alright, so that's the way I want to go. I want to see price to close below this level, then we'll look for opportunity to short the market, okay? So that's how we have for UJ. Okay, for GU, Okay, this market has been overly bullish. Okay, I don't want to analyze this market, so let's just leave it and go to the next trade. Okay, so guys, this is AU. Okay, so what AU is doing now from the daily time frame is that the market has shown a clear break above structure. Okay, the market has shown a clear break above structure. Let's delete all this level. Okay, so let's delete this. We don't need this anymore. So these are all expired. Okay, all right. So I think we need this level. So these are the few levels I want to keep in this market. Okay, and I want this to be a round number, guys. I want this to be a round number. It is important to this. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So you can see clearly the price has what? Price close bullish. Price close bullish above structure. Okay. On a daily time frame. Okay. Apparently the market has opened because it's 10 p.m. GMT plus 1. So the market has opened. So guys, we expect this market to continue to push up, okay, or react off these levels, okay, or react off this level. If we see a double top, we can trade this market to the downside. Otherwise, we look for market to continue to push up. However, because of the news, okay, because of the news that has come out from Fed, okay, we expect AU to continue to push up, okay, against the United States dollar, okay. All right, so guys, that's what I expect in this market from the daily time frame. That is it. Let's drop for the 4-hour time frame and see what opportunities we have there. Perfect. You can see the close above structure. We've seen another candlestick. Okay, so what we can do here, guys, what we can do here is there's a clear retest of structure, break and retest. Okay, if we see a pattern above that close, if we see the price close above this level, you see price close above this level, okay, close above this level, okay, that will be very instructive. Okay, I need to see price close above that level, okay, because this was how the market closed the previous couple of days, you know, last week, okay. So this is what this market is telling us. So if you look at it from the 4-hour time frame, you can see the market is still bullish, okay. From the daily time frame, the market was utterly bullish, okay, in the previous trading days, okay. If you look at it from the weekly time frame, okay, you see some level of what? Some level of sideways move to show us that the market still has to break through some very key levels, okay. So if you look at that from the weekly, the market has to break through this level, okay. Market has to break through this level and perhaps come to test this level, okay. So that is from the weekly perspective. So from the daily perspective, you can see that the market still has a lot of room to the upside to, you know, to contend with price action, okay. So we are looking for our entry opportunity from the 4-hour time frame, guys. So we need to see what the market will do from these levels, okay. So for me, I need to see a proper price action candlestick pattern to go long on this market, but my directional bias is going to be a buy, guys, okay. So let's look at NJ. All right, so you can see from the daily time frame, the NJ has been struggling to break this level. So this level is a key level in price action, okay. So we need to see what this level will do in the coming days. But if you agree with me that I expect this market to push down, okay, because the Japanese yen is stronger than the New Zealand dollar, okay, stronger than the New Zealand dollar. So I expect this down move to continue. But if you pull our Fibonacci from this level, okay, to this level, okay, so we expect to see what we expect to see here is that price should Oh, sorry. Okay. Let's see if this will work. It's okay here. Its price should what? Price should push further down. Okay, price should push further down into structure here. Okay, so we expect price to react off this level here. Okay, that's in between the 50 and 38.2 level. So we expect the market to drop. Okay, so we expect the market to show some some resilience to the downside. Okay, some resilience to the downside. Okay, so this is the outlook we have for NJ in the coming week. Okay, so guys, look out for this. Then for UC, okay, for UC daily time frame, what is the market telling us? Okay, you can see that again it has shown weakness. Okay, it has shown weakness, okay, against the dollar. Okay, so we expect this to continue. If you look at this structure, it's close to what we saw here. It's close to what we saw with UJ apparently. Okay, so let's see if that will hold. All right, so we expect to see a further downward push. Okay, but let's analyze this market. So let me take my structures from the weekly time frame. Okay, so I have this level to contend with and this level to contend with. Okay, but apparently the market closed here. Okay, the previous, so we have this structure level. So we have a structure like this to contend with. Okay, all right, so you can see the market closed bearish the previous week, so we expect this market to push down, but we need market to show us how it will react to this, to these key levels. Okay, and so if we drop to the daily time frame, okay, we see that the market is still contending with us here. Okay, so we need to see what it will do going forward. All right, okay, so these are the key levels. Okay, these are the key levels. I expect price to react up these levels. Okay, so I want to let this stay like this. All right, let me choose this. Okay. Okay, so guys, this is what I want to see happen. I want to see price above these zones. Okay, then I'll look for a shorting opportunity. Okay, I'll look for a shorting opportunity from the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so I still need price to push into this level. Okay, we need price to attack this level. Okay, and give us a signal. All right, and give us a signal to short the market. Okay, okay, so this is what we expect in the coming week. Okay, so for NU, what are we looking at for NU? All right, okay, you can see the market has it's overly bullish. Okay, the market is overly bullish. Okay, so showing some strength against the United States dollar. Okay, and this was highly expected. So this is a trending market, guys. This is a trending market, so it's very easy to trade. Okay, the market is showing some level of strength to the upside. Okay, so it is easy. It's easy for us to to trade this market. Okay. All right, from the daily time frame, we see a double bottom. Okay. Let's wait. The system is hanging. Network has been bad. It's raining from my position here. We just have to wait to see what price will do in the coming days. Okay, but I expect it to push to the upside. Okay, because this is a double bottom. Okay, on the daily time frame. So I expect price to push to the. I expect price to push to the upside. Okay. Sorry, my system is hanging. You can see there's no network now. It's raining out there, and the weather is obstructing the internet connectivity. Okay. So I need to wait to see. Okay, this is my challenge with MT5. MT4 would not do all this. Okay. MT5 is robust, is robust. So as a result of that, you see the system always hanging. So we're going to look at this double bottom here from the daily time frame. Okay, so this is a structure level. Okay, even though price is far away from that level. Okay, want to see what it will do along these levels. Okay, so I need to find a round number here where the current price action is. Let's get our round number. Okay, all right, so this is where our price has broken the structure. So let's look for round number here. Okay, all right, so this is my round number. All right, so I expect price to push above here, and it did. Okay, so price has broken above this structure, so we need to see what it will do in the coming days, because this is a bullish, high momentum bullish candle. So I expect this trajectory to the upside to continue. Okay, and if it does, from the 4-hour time frame, we'll see clarity. Okay, get clarity. So what do we expect here? We want to see a push to the downside. We want to see market push up again. Perhaps do this. Okay, and take it to the upside. Okay, okay, so we want to look for price action pattern. So we can trade this market. Okay, so let's introduce the moving averages. Let's see what moving average can help us to trap price. Okay, let's try the 21 period moving average. Okay, perfect. Okay, so I need to see price drop to structure. Okay, I need to see price come to structure. So let's add another moving average. Okay, the 9 period moving average. Okay, all right, so perfect. Want to see price come off these levels. Okay, come off the around the 21 and the 9 period moving average, then we take it to the upside. Okay, so guys, our directional bias for NU is what? Is buy. Okay, so guys, I don't want this video to be too long, but I hope you guys get me. We've done all this analysis. Okay, so this week I don't trade on Mondays. Okay, so my trading week starts on Tuesday. Then we'll begin to look at entry opportunities, sniper entry opportunities for all these trades that I've analyzed today. We didn't analyze gold, guys, so maybe during the week I'll look at what gold is doing. This video is already getting too long. I don't want it to get frustratingly long, and I hope you guys enjoy this analysis. Okay, if there's anything you didn't understand, please feel free to drop me a comment in the comment section. I'll be glad to respond to you guys. Okay, So thank you very much and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.